Good morning, Rondell. This is really a tale of two towns, not too far from here on the North Shore, Hamilton. We heard the sun was out just a couple of hours ago. Now, we got here just before 7, really drove up in a kind of a driving snowstorm, if you will. Take a look over my shoulder. We're still in a coastal flood advisory at this hour that will go until early Monday. They were concerned about some high tide and some high surf with splash. We have not seen a lot of that, but obviously we've got some, we had high tide at 10:20 this morning. We've not seen a whole lot of problems with that, but people are really just starting to get out and about now. We probably had about I'd say inch and a half of snow that started just before 7 and now has wrapped up. We're actually seeing glimpses of the sun pop out here, but it was really a snowstorm for a good hour and a half as this storm slowly pulls away from the northeast. Reporting live from Gloucester, I'm Ted Wayman. Jenna Rondell, let's head back to you.